Okay, so part two of Smart Mobile. Now that you guys have got a bit of a background of what a configurable data model is, and very briefly what a data model is, we are now going to start the process of creating our own custom configurable data model. So now we have our conservation area, as you see in front of your own screens. We need to left click on conservation area, and we need to left click on configurable model. Now this is where we are going to slowly start creating our shopping list, so to speak. We're going to left click and we're going to create a new one. And you are going to give it a name. So left click there in the where it says name and just delete that. And you need to call it SAWC underscore SM. We're going to choose the option as blank because we want to create a fresh one. This configurable model here is based off of another one that you may have created, and you want to use the same style potentially. And this option here creates a configurable model with everything in. So that's basically taking the supermarket to the supermarket, which I don't think is a good idea. It's much easier to create a blank one, a custom one, trust me. And then left click OK once you finish typing it, and immediately it's going to come up with a blank thing here. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to left click on the name. Now what this does is it basically activates all the options that you are looking for. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click add categories. And what this will do is it'll load the entire data model, so all the potential categories that we want. And as you can see here, here is my data model. So these are the things that I want to now choose. So if I scroll down or move this bar down using these arrows, left clicking all the time, corner. I want to click multiple ones without you holding the control key on your you hold the control key down and you left click on the flora in this case. And you left click add and it starts adding the categories. As you can see, fauna and flora have been added. Now it's also asking you to look under the illegal activities and choose incursion. So you're going to left click categories again and you're going to scroll down, left click until you get to illegal activities. Illegal activities, and if I look here, there's incursion. So I left click incursion and I left click add. So immediately it's been added. So now it looks like on the right track. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change the names. So fauna, we left click on fauna and we change the name here. So in the display name box you left click and you type in animals, and then you do the same thing for flora, left click in the box, backspace, and choose plant and type in plants. Okay, so have you all done that so far? Cool. So that makes it, this is what they will see on the device when you take it out into the field. So it's important to make sure that it displays in a way that can be read nicely.